Okay, hey everyone. I'm doing this video to show how to sign on to become a life changer. So when you go to my page, you see my picture here at the bottom. You're gonna click become a member, and then when you click become a member, you go down to become a life changer. Then you're gonna scroll down to join as representative. And then here you see United, make sure this is saying United States, and then you click join now. And then here is where you have to choose one of these. And then what you choose is the standard starter kit. And you click add to cart. Sometimes it won't do it right away, so you have to click again, and then it's going to ask you this. Then you click English. Then you scroll down and you pick one of these kits, depending on how much you want to spend the first time out. What I did is I chose the. Let me see one moment. I chose the coffee, which is really good because I want to try something different. But anyway, so I chose the coffee. But you could choose one of these. I suggest getting this NutriBurst. This is a liquid vitamin. My fave that I like is the lemon. The lemon. This is already sweet. Here, you just add it to juice or water. You can just add it to water. It's actually already sweet. And to me personally, it tastes like lemonade. Now, another thing about this lemon is you see it has hemp in it, THC. So, what I also like about it is it helps with anxiety and depression. I kid you not. And I do have some slight anxiety. I hear the raspberry is good. I ordered the raspberry. I should be getting this sometime soon. So basically, when you do all that, and then go back. Let me see here. So you pick the starter pack, and then let's just say you decide to get the lemon. This right here, and you scroll down and you click. Oh, here's the coffee. This is the coffee right here. Excuse me. Then you click continue. You may have to click it again. Continue. Let's go back up. See something. Let's go back down. Let's try it again. Oh, I know what's wrong. Let's back down. Something crazy. I know what's wrong. Go back up. It's got one in it. So why is it not letting me? Let's go back down. Click it again. Why is this not moving forward? Okay, so I finally got that to work. And so when it goes to the next page, you're going to see this here. You don't have to click any of these because you already got. Then what this is SmartShip, and so you could choose to. I would not like to create a SmartShip at this time and do it later, or you go ahead and do it now. And what the SmartShip is this is automatic once a month that your kit. Hold on, it's automatic that your kit will automatically be sent once a month. Your SmartShip, and you can choose any one of these you like. You will need this when it becomes available. This energy. If you need some, like right away, let me know. My sponsor has available. You just have to send her cash up, and she'll send them to you right away. Excuse me. Sorry, y'all. This asthma has got me just all over the place. So anyway, this will be your SmartShip listing list here. And then you would click one of these for your SmartShip, and it comes once a month on the same date. So just for video purposes to show you how this works, I'm going to click, let's see here, because there's so much to choose from. And this is an awesome program. And let's just say we're going to do the NutriBurst. My website, this does not want to work for me today. Okay, so I put it on 1 in this box. And let's see here. Let's do so these two will be deducted from whatever card you use once a month, and it will be automatically shipped out to you. And you click continue, and this is where you put in all your information. This is where my information is, and this is what will be coming out of your card once a month. And this can be updated, and things can change so often. And then this is how you come up to your username and everything. So, of course, if you have any questions, just inbox me. And if I don't have the answer for you, I can find out for you. Thank you, and hope to see you become a life changer.